It looks so cute. It looks like lipstick. So cute. This color is really cool. I'm gonna do. It's so cool though because you can control easier. And like, I'm gonna do a really thin coat on this one. Okay. Let it set first. And we'll do it as a second coat. Okay. I'm gonna do a matte top coat on this. This is so cool though. I do it really thin. You can always add more coat, like 1, 2, 3. It's really cool, and it's so, it looks like it's thick, but it's not thick. It's like more of the consistency is really nice, and covers nice and solid. So like easier for you to control, easier for you to like doing all different stroke without worry about. It's really interesting. Second coat for this.
That color is super. That is really nice. Nice solid color. Yep, and this Trips palette is a guarantee, so it will come every single sub box for you. You will get one of these.
I love it. I want, it's like, please have more of this for us. So we have one palette. And then, it is so cool though. It doesn't give you a streaky at all. I'm starting playing with it and see what's up. And clear this for 60 seconds.